The Eversecu 4Ch security system includes 4 high-definition cameras that are designed for both indoor and outdoor use, providing versatility and durability in various weather conditions. This system's advanced H.265 Plus compression technology effectively doubles your storage space, allowing for extended recording times without compromising video quality. With the free Xmeye app, users can easily access live feeds and playback recordings on both iOS and Android devices, ensuring you are always connected to your security system. Installation is straightforward and requires no professional assistance, thanks to its plug-and-play design and stable connectivity, making it perfect for do-it-yourself enthusiasts. The system is compatible with both Windows and Mac systems, and the included CMS software supports centralized management of multiple surveillance setups for enhanced oversight. Although a hard drive is not included, this provides flexibility for users to choose their preferred storage capacity based on specific monitoring needs.